All right, what morning is it? Wait for Gavin. Wait for Gavin.
Is Gavin upstairs?
Come on, buddy, come. Natalie, wait, please. I said wait for your brother.
Dilly-dally and listen to him.
Wait, wait, wait. I want to see your faces, and you guys. Oh my goodness!
Oh, wow.
Wait just a second. Wait, is that for you? How do you know? Okay. What is this? What are the big things? No, it's for sledding. Oh, that's from Mom and Dad. That's your Christmas outfit to wear today. With your gray tights.
Whoa.
Why don't you slow down? Just no. Slow down. All right, here, buddy. You want to sit in your
Whoa, these look like fun, huh?
Hey, slow down just a little bit, Natalie. Let Gavin open his.
I found a big present for me. Awesome.
Alright, wait just a second, Natalie. Wait. Wait. What is it, buddy? Whoa, it's your tractor! Awesome! That was from Santa. What is it? Awesome! That is so cool, Nut.
What did you get?
Tell her what it is. Use your words. What is it?
Doc McStuffins kit.
It's a Doc McStuffins kit.
A Doc kit?
A Doc McStuffins one.
Wow.
Natalie.
Slow down. I know, but you're...
Don't tear it, though. That's not where you don't tear through it and see what we got.
See how your brother actually is like excited about the one he got? Why didn't you pick up your paper?
And you gotta find another present for your brother to open too.
Here's another piece of paper. And then find a spot where you want to put all your presents and you can put them all together.
I'm
So
gonna
that...
move this over.
Okay.